beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. On this channel I do protective hairstyle for kids and I do beauty DIYs. Yes, so please, if today is your first time, just consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family. Okay, please do that and join the family, and I promise you will enjoy it here. Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can actually treat stubborn acne. Yes, using tea tree oil. How you can get rid of stubborn acne using tea tree oil. That's what we are going to be making today. That's what we are going to be doing today. So if you're interested in this kind of video, please keep watching. Okay, let's get right into the video. So here I have my clean plate with me, and the first ingredient on our list is tea tree oil. I'll be using tea tree oil because tea tree oil is very good when it comes to treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and the antimicrobial properties. You know, tea tree oil helps to calm redness, swelling, and the inflammation. That is why it's very good when it comes to treating acne and the pimples. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add small amount of it. Now the next ingredient is apple cider vinegar. I will add some amount of apple cider vinegar to it because apple cider vinegar has an antibacterial and antifungal properties and can help kill bacteria and yeast on the skin that causes skin problem like acne, eczema, and dandruff. Okay, that's why I'm using apple cider vinegar here. In case if you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use lemon. Okay, so the next one on our list here is honey. I'll go ahead and add some drops of honey. There are a lot of skin benefits of honey. When it comes to honey, it helps to moisturize and dehydrate the skin. It helps to diminish the signs of premature aging. Honey is an effective pore cleanser and a gentle exfoliator. You know, there are a lot of skin benefits of honey. Honey is also very good when it comes to lightening scars and hyperpigmentations. You can use honey to fight acne and breakouts. Okay, and also honey can help to reduce sunburn, so that's why I decided to add honey. Okay guys, so now I'll go ahead and mix it very well. After mixing it guys, the next thing to do here is that I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can actually use this to treat acne. So guys, I'm done mixing it. As you all can see, that's what I have here with me. That's what I have here with me. So I'll go ahead and wash off my makeup. Then I'll come back and show you guys how you can actually use it. You know, how you can actually use this to get rid of stubborn acne. Okay guys, here I am. I've washed my face and this is what my face looks like, and here I have the mixture with me. This is it here. So I'll go ahead and use this cotton wool and dip it into the mixture, then I'll apply it on my face. But please, if you have it's not even about sensitive skin. If this is your first time of trying this, make a patch test before you apply it all over your skin. Make a patch test and let it sit there for 30 minutes. If it doesn't react to your skin, then you can go ahead and apply it all over your face. Okay, if you have sensitive skin or not, before you apply this, make a patch test somewhere on your face. And after making that patch test, then you wait for 30 minutes. If it's okay, if it's not itchy, if it's not irritating your skin, then you can go ahead and apply it all over your face. Okay, so now I've used it before, that's why I'm not making a patch test. Okay, so I'll go ahead and use it to clean my face. Like I said, this will help you to get rid of stubborn acne. It will help you to get rid of stubborn acne. Okay, this is very effective. I've used it before, like I said. So I will use it to clean my face. Now I'm done cleaning my face. I'll let it sit on my face for 30 minutes. So I'll wait for 30 minutes. So this is about 30 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and wash it off. Then I'll come back and show you guys what you will do after washing this off, okay? I'll be right back. So guys, I washed my face already. So I'll patch dry my face. After drying your face, the next thing you have to do is to apply vitamin E oil. Go in with vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good on your skin. There are so many benefits of vitamin E oil to your skin. It helps to fade acne. You know, it suits your face. It helps to stop irritation and all that. There are a lot of skin benefits of vitamin E. So after washing off your face, you go ahead and apply vitamin E oil on your face. And once that is done, you are good to go. Please do this in the evening. Do this in the evening before going to bed, okay? After doing it, you're good to go. Yes, guys. So this is how you can actually treat stubborn dark acne. Okay? So after applying the vitamin E oil, you can go ahead and sleep. It's good that you apply vitamin E oil after this treatment. Make sure you apply vitamin E oil. But even if you don't apply vitamin E oil on your face, make sure you don't leave your face like that. No. If you leave your face like that, you might break out. Yes, you might break out. So it's always good that after using the treatment, it's either you apply vitamin E oil on your face and go to bed, or you apply any face moisturizer. Okay, don't leave your face dry like that. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is how you can actually get rid of stubborn acne on your face and pimples. Okay, this really works, guys. So let me know in the comment section when you try it. All right, I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.